Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will guide you how to disable or remove or reset the team code which you already shared with the students or members you want to add to your team. So I'm talking about a scenario in which you already shared a team code with the students and the required number of students already joined the team, and now you don't want anyone else to join the team. So if your scenario matches the scenario which I just described, then this video can help you. So first of all, you have to go to the required team, and then you have to go to the more options, and then you have to check or you have to click on manage team option. After that, you have to go to the settings tab, click on this team code drop down. So this is the code of this team which I already shared with the students, for example. And now I already have the required number of students and I don't want anyone else to join the team using this code. So I have two options available. Either I just reset the code by clicking on this reset button. So now nobody will able to join the team using the previous code. Or I can simply remove this team code. So using both options, you can prevent anyone else to join the team.